Do we know if COVID vaccinated people can spread COVID? Is that a possibility? I hear that a lot on social media, that debate of whether or not we can transmit. If you're a vaccinated individual that has a breakthrough infection, you can have a viral load that does allow you to spread it to others, right? But remember, you are 7 times less likely to catch COVID if you're vaccinated than an unvaccinated individual. So you're extremely protected. But yeah, there are some cases where that can occur, right? But you are extremely well protected, as well protected as you can be if you're vaccinated, right? Nothing is perfect, right? If you use an umbrella out in the rain, you still might get some raindrops on you, but you sure would rather have that umbrella up, right? You're much better protected, right? This is a similar analogy to masks as well. It's like, well, masks aren't perfect. You can still catch it. Like, yeah, you can. But you know what? It's that umbrella analogy. If you have an umbrella up in a rainstorm, you're much less likely to get wet, right? And so it is protective. Nothing is perfect, right? You still might get a little wet, right? It could happen, but it's much better. I think everybody would rather have the umbrella than not. That's what the vaccines provide. It's what the masks provide. It's why everybody should be out there to get vaccinated. It will lower the prevalence of coronavirus. It'll help us be able to move forward to some semblance of normalcy. Well, thank you. I think
there about the flu vaccine being different than this experimental shot. And I remember, like, I just want to state to people, like, this really is a sugar molecule, right? And it's in your body, and then it is broken down and out, just like I'll use the analogy like a gummy bear you eat, right? Is anybody worried about the long-term effects of a gummy bear you eat like 20 years down the line? It doesn't even make sense, right? It's not how your body works, how the metabolism works, okay? And so it's this sugar molecule, right, that is given to your body, very fancily designed, shows your body a picture, right? Your body's able to mount an immune response to it. Then it is broken down and it's gone like other molecules in your body are. And that's how it works. And so these have been given to billions of folks in the world now, right? Extraordinarily well studied, right? Like we have tons of data. These are extremely safe and very effective, right? They really are a miracle of modern science. And so, this whole thing about long-term effects, no, it's like these are really, really extraordinarily safe vaccines, extraordinarily safe.
Yeah, and there's a lot of emphasis on those that are, concerned about vaccine, about what may happen to me years down the road. As Mike says, that makes no sense. It's not even a real risk. We do know that 10% of people who have COVID, even mild COVID, are still having long-term effects. Brain fog, decrease in memory and mental acuity, chronic headaches, chronic pain syndromes, respiratory issues, many other things. That is not theoretical. That is happening in real time. If you survive, if you don't have a very severe case, people are going on to have long haul symptoms. And when you think of the tens of millions of people in the United States who've had COVID thus far, 10% of those individuals is a large number of people. We're talking millions of people in the United States right now are suffering from COVID long haul. And we don't have any treatments for that. At this point, we don't know how long those people will be disabled or suffering. So this is, it's a theoretical, problem of what could happen down the road versus reality.